Most of the people's stomach hangs like a watermelon, and many efforts are made to reduce it, which do not bring any significant results. Below is a tip that will fit the sagging stomach with the waist after just 2 months of use. The following ingredients are required to make this recipe. Hava shafi, cumin, 50 grams, fennel, 50 grams, barg sadab, 50 grams, celery, 50 grams. The method of preparation: mix all the ingredients and make a fine powder. Method of use: half a cup of tea in the morning with plain water before breakfast and dinner. Use continuously for 2 months. God willing, the hanging belly will fit with the waist.